Now we were talking about recoil velocity of the gun, so I don't want you guys to get confused with that diagram and this expression. So we already have a formula for the law of conservation of momentum. So what I am doing right now, I will be making a simpler diagram for you to understand the recoiling of gun. We have a gun something like this and we have a bullet. So the mass of gun is m1 and the mass of bullet is m2. Okay, initial velocity of gun, so I'll be writing u, initial velocity of gun is 0 and initial velocity of bullet is also 0. Final velocity of gun is something that we have to find out, and final velocity of bullet is, let us say, v. Okay, this is the projected velocity of the bullet. So using this expression, I'll get initial momentum to be 0, which is m1 u1 plus m2 u2. 0 is equal to m1, that is mass of gun, into velocity of, final velocity of gun, which I don't know, plus mass of bullet into final velocity of bullet, right? If I have to write it in vector form, so this will be the statement. Same ways here, if you have to write this in vector form, that will be the statement. This thing goes that side, or mg vg, that is mass of gun into velocity of gun. We are talking about the final thing is negative of mass of bullet into velocity of bullet. So velocity of gun will be mass of bullet, that is final momentum of bullet, mass of bullet, velocity of bullet upon mass of gun. So this will be the expression for recoil velocity of gun. And how do we know that it is in opposite direction of bullet? Because of this negative sign. Negative sign is with the velocity of bullet, so this Vg and this thing, they are opposite in direction. That is why we did all this thing in vector form. One more thing, you can see from here that velocity of gun is inversely proportional to the mass of gun. So recoil velocity can be significantly reduced by increasing the mass of the gun, but again that would be an extra burden on our soldiers. So there are specific designs in case of both bullets, both design and technique, where the guns manufacturing process is involved.